Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Realme 12 Pro 5G, a smartphone that's generating quite a buzz. From its powerful processor to the impressive camera setup and long-lasting battery, we've got all the details covered. So, let's jump right in and see if the Realme 12 Pro 5G lives up to the hype. Starting with a quick look, the Realme 12 Pro 5G has a large 6.7-inch screen. This makes watching videos and playing games more engaging. The big display is great for enjoying colorful and detailed visuals, making your experience enjoyable. Whether you're into watching movies or playing games, the Realme 12 Pro 5G's large screen adds to the fun and excitement of using the phone. The Realme 12 Pro 5G runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, ensuring swift and responsive performance. This powerful chipset makes multitasking effortless and handles demanding applications with ease, contributing to a smooth and seamless user experience. The Realme 12 Pro 5G's processing power provides a snappy performance, allowing users to navigate through various tasks without lag or slowdowns. Whether you're juggling multiple apps or running performance-intensive applications, this smartphone's processor is up to the task. Shifting our focus to the camera capabilities, the Realme 12 Pro 5G truly excels in the photography department. Its impressive triple camera system on the rear comprises a high-resolution 50-megapixel main sensor, a wide-angle 32-megapixel lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, ensuring versatility in capturing different perspectives. The attention to detail extends to the front, where a sharp 16-megapixel selfie camera awaits, ready to capture stunning self-portraits. With this well-rounded camera setup, the Realme 12 Pro 5G offers a comprehensive photography experience, catering to both enthusiasts and casual users alike. In the memory department, the Realme 12 Pro 5G impresses with a substantial 8 GB of RAM, guaranteeing seamless multitasking and efficient app performance. Additionally, users can choose from spacious storage options of 128 GB and 256 GB, ensuring there's ample room for apps, photos, and videos. The combination of robust RAM and generous storage makes the Realme 12 Pro 5G well-equipped to handle the demands of modern usage, offering both speed and sufficient space for user content. Now, let's talk about power. The Realme 12 Pro 5G houses a substantial 5,000 mAh battery, offering a reliable and long-lasting charge. This is great news for users who are always on the go and need a device that can keep up with their active lifestyles. Running on the latest Android 14, the Realme 12 Pro 5G ensures a modern and user-friendly interface, along with the latest software features and security updates. In conclusion, the Realme 12 Pro 5G ticks a lot of boxes, from its powerful processor to the impressive camera array and long-lasting battery. If you're on the lookout for a feature-packed smartphone that delivers on performance, this could be a strong contender. And that's a wrap for our in-depth review of the Realme 12 Pro 5G. What are your thoughts on this device? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tech reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one.